Hey folks, Miss L here. Today we're going to talk about something called faulty reasoning. Writers often use faulty reasoning to help stress their ideas and make a reader feel things that maybe they wouldn't feel with a different type of language use. Now, faulty reasoning is just an argument that is illogical, meaning it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense if you think about it. It's not supported by data, it has limited information, and it includes personal opinions. And we're going to talk way more about that later, but right now what I want you to focus on is the words faulty reasoning. Faulty reasoning is used in addition to supporting evidence. We've talked a lot about evidence, but this is like tacked onto it. But they tend to make the argument that the author is trying to make a lot more weak. So here are a few examples that you need to know. Emotional appeal, hyperbole, and stereotype. Now, one of the most common uses of faulty reasoning is something called an emotional appeal. This is powerful words that make a reader feel something very deeply. It can make you feel joy, it can make you feel hate, it can make you feel angry, it can make you feel love and cared for, but it's all in the word choices that the author is making. And if it's used correctly, emotional appeal can strengthen an argument. Using powerful words, an emotional appeal can stir the emotions of the reader. It can be effective in an argument. Let's take a look at this example. What I see is the utter sadness and disappointment of any kid who loves to swing, climb, or slide. I ask you, how can we steal children's happiness by denying them a playground? You see? Using the words utter sadness, disappointment, kind of makes you sad yourself. Stealing children's happiness? Oh my Lord, I couldn't even imagine. And then we're basically denying them happiness is what it's trying to say. Let's take a look at this video to explain emotional appeal or see how it's used in everyday life.